Drowning in debt? Let's fix that. In less than 3 minutes, you'll have a simple plan to take control of your finances and start crushing your debt. Okay, let's get straight to it. Start by listing all your debts. Include credit cards, loans, and any other balances you may have. Write down the total amount owed, interest rate, and minimum payments for each. This gives you a clear picture of where you stand and sets the foundation for your plan. Now, prioritize your debts. Use the avalanche method to pay off high-interest debts first and save on interest over time, or the snowball method to tackle the smallest debts for quick wins and motivation. Choose the approach that works best for you and focus on one debt at a time while making minimum payments on the rest. Set smart goals for your debt payoff. Be specific, like paying off $1,500 in 3 to 6 months. Make it measurable by tracking your progress each month. Keep it achievable based on your budget. Ensure it's relevant to your financial priorities and set a clear time frame to stay on track. Smart goals are designed to give your plan focus and keep you motivated. Boost your income to accelerate debt payoff. A variation of AI, YouTube, and Google can be highly beneficial on your quest for financial freedom. Make Google your best friend. Use bonuses, tax refunds, or extra cash to make larger payments on your debt. Every extra dollar makes a difference and helps you reach your financial goals faster. Lastly, stick to your plan. Stay disciplined and avoid unnecessary spending. Remember, every payment brings you closer to accomplishing your goals. By following these steps, you can easily create a debt payoff plan that works for you. Take control of your finances and start your journey to a debt-free life today. Don't let debt define you. Let your determination write the story instead.